Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from Rust Paper Scissors, and I'm here today to introduce a new item that I'm going to have for sale in my shop. I saw Crafted by Christy. She made these faux mini film reels and charms, and I thought they were so cute. I really loved them. So I rusted some bobbins. They're not They're rusted okay, but it's more of a tarnish, so I think I'm going to describe them as tarnished. But I made some and they were so fun and easy. I thought it'd be fun to do a tutorial and show you. But I'm going to have for sale, I will have the plain ones, and it's just these little bobbins. And then I added a split ring so you could attach it. On the ones that I make with the film reels, I will have the split ring, but I'll also have this little clamp, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like clamped onto a journal. So it's very easy to use, and then that's what it looks like from the side. I thought they were really cute. I really liked doing those, and one of the reasons was at Christmas time we watch a lot of Christmas movies, and so I thought I make tags to go with some of the Christmas movies, like this Christmas Vacation. I made a little tag, and I thought if you added the little film reel charm would be a cute embellishment. So I did that. While I was making them, I also had the idea to use just thread in case you just liked the thread better, or you knew somebody who was maybe a seamstress or liked to sew, or you're having a sewing themed journal. All I did was take some thread and wrap it around the spool, and then I glued it at the end. I left a tail, and so I'm going to sell this Christmas, the red, green, and gold set in my shop. If you like those and want a set of the thread ones, and I'm sold out, just message me. But I will have the plain, and I'll have the film reels in my shop. I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how I did them, and I'll be right back. Hold on. I'm going to set up for it. Okay, the supplies are really very limited. All you need are the bobbins, and then you could use bulb pins if you wanted to attach the bobbin with a bulb pin. Be very easy to do and attach it to a page. I like the split rings, so I will, on the ones that I sell in my shop, I will have these little split rings that you put on there, and just can attach them with that. On the ones that I sell as a charm with the film strip, I will have a clamp on those. Okay, so let's bake one real quick. It's very easy. All you do is, what I want to talk about is the 8mm film comes off the reel with a natural curve to it. So I just use that as my guide. And what I do is I have a bobbin, and then I have my film. I'm going to take some double-sided tape, pretty good piece, and I'm going to add it here to the end of the film. Okay, and then this tape is just a little bit wider, so I'm just going to fold it up on itself, and then I take the bobbin and I just attach the film, and I hold it for a few minutes, although it's tape, but just trying to get it to catch. And it can be a little fiddly, but then it looks like I've got it in there. And now I'm just gonna, you have your tape, your film, and your bobbin. Then I'm just gonna roll it up, and I roll it pretty tight. And then when I get to the edge, I leave a pretty good tail, and I'm going to add just a little clamp to help me hold it so it doesn't drop. Okay, and then all I'm going to do is take another piece of tape, and I'm going to leave a tail. I might need to leave a little bit more. Oops. Okay, here we go. See the real life here. Well, it's usually not this fiddly, but when you're filming, it gets kind of crazy. Okay, so let's go about there. Okay, now I'm just going to add it here, and like you say, I've left a tail. And then we're going to take the tape off, and then I just roll it up on itself. And then all I'm going to do is close it up. And then when you get to the end here, you have your tail. And then all I do is take the split ring, and I like these because they don't come apart. And then you just find your hole, slip it in there, and now you have your charm. And then I add a clamp onto the end of it. So they will be sold in my shop like this with the clamp and the split ring. So that's all there is to it. I appreciate your time. I have a film strip for sale in my Etsy shop. And then I also have other rusted elements for your journals. I do appreciate your time. I want to wish everyone a happy holiday season. Thank you.